Hello guys, Kratos here. Today I want to show you how to customize your Android display using KWGT. If you are looking at my screen right now, you'll figure out that I have customized my screen, and I pretty much want to show you how to do the same. First, you need to go to Google Play Store and download the KWGT custom widget maker, and once that is done, you can add a new screen, and you can search for KWGT. I'm going to pick any size. You can resize later. I'm going to pick the 4x2. To do that, you have to long press, and then it appears on your screen. You can resize how you deem fit. Now, to set this up, I'm going to click on this. I have many installed packs. You can search for any packs that you want. But here I'm going to use the Sheer pack, the Sheer KWGT. Here you can see different types of design. Let's say I'm going to go with this one, and then I click on save at the top. We want to fix the requirement for KWGT. Let's see. Yeah, we have to allow that. Now we can click on save, and as you can see, it is right here on my screen. And of course, I can resize it whatever size I want. And if I want to change this, all I need to do is to tap on it, and I can delete it. No more appearing. So I'm just going to remove that. I want to add a new widget. Maybe not with KWGT this time. I want to add the media player. As you saw in my display screen, I used the Samsung music player default, the Samsung Music, and I can select any style that I want for the widget. I can select either white or black, or I can simply make it match with my dark mode settings whenever I'm on dark mode. Here I can change the opacity or the transparency, and I can hit save. I can, as usual, resize it. Guys, this is how to customize customize your display settings for your Android device. Like and subscribe for more.